The third type of experiment is the natural experiment.
Natural experiment.
Natural, supernatural. Well, this is not a true experiment though. I know, even with regards to the word experiment, like after the word natural, this is not like a true real experiment. Because there's a reason behind this. Okay, hear me out. Because the researcher cannot manipulate the levels of the independent variable.
Of course.
Yeah, oh boy. The differences or changes in the independent variable exist or would occur even in the absence of the experiment. For example, okay, if you want to study, let's say like a parrot or like a vervet monkey in a jungle. So you have to go there in the jungle and then you take like a binocular glass and then observe them, for example.
Okay.
There's so like really like very little things that you can control, but most of the things that you cannot control.
Okay.
Another example would be, let's say if you want to experiment with children, right? So children's attention could be measured in a very dull and like very bright days when the amount of lights in a classroom differ even with the light turns on. So the DV, the dependent variable, could again be measured with a class test, things like that. With the evaluation, so using these methods for this natural experiment, this is not a real experiment, there is less opportunity to control and standardize the situation. There may be uncontrolled variables, such as how warm the classroom is, the temperature in the jungle. It might be much warmer in sunny days, for example, or really cold during the winter. This could matter because the warmth might make people or animals like sleepy and less able to concentrate. So this would lower the validity of the findings, although this is encountered by the familiarity of the task and setting, which would increase ecological validity.